Yo, trade intuition, flipping charts, mad precision. We on the grind, no sleep, endless mission. Crypto waves, no tide, just decisions. Ride or die with the block's ambition. Let's make this money, profits rain like monsoon. Bull or bear, we adapt, typhoon. Wallets packed, no room, full bloom. Path to riches, straight shot, no detour too soon. Trading is only as difficult as you make it. Rise, fall, rise again, never fake it. Cold wallets, private keys, gotta break it. Crypto life on the edge, let's shake it. Trade intuition, candlestick intuition. Charts wilder than Wild West ambition. We got the drive, mad clicks, no permission. Ready for the moon, orbit's our mission. Let's make this money, stacking sats, no fiat. Eyes on the prize, mad gains, where's the hack? Diamond hands, no flinch, iron combat. Full speed to the peak, no fall back. Trading is only as difficult as you make it. Rise, fall, rise again, never fake it. Cold wallets, private keys, gotta break it. Crypto life on the edge, let's shake it.
All right, here we go, guys. In 3, 2, and a bingo bango. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Here we go. Good morning, good afternoon. That's not what I want to show you. I had to reboot my computer once again so that we could have a camera working. We do need the camera working. All right, good stuff, guys. I'll tell you what's not working. Bitcoin and the ALCH, they are not working. They are taking the day off. They're taking the day off. Or are they? Well, let's find out. Let's find out together. Here we go. I do want to say thank you for everybody showing up today. Thank you so much for smashing the like. You guys are the best. Absolutely. Not the one behind you or the one to the left or to the right. You are the best. I didn't mean to point, but I just did. All right, here we go. Let's see here. We got Dylan in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, man, for being here. Appreciate you greatly. Thank you for smashing the like. We got Blocky Crypto, my man. What's up, buddy? Appreciate you for being here. We also have Jesse. What's going on, guys? What is going on? Let's see here. We have West in the house. Thank you, West, for being here. Let's go ahead and get started, guys. Let's get started. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you have any coins you want me to do, let me know. I absolutely love giving my thought process when it comes to trading. And that's what I thought. I am chopped off. Let me go ahead and zoom in just a little bit more. I thought this was enough zoom. Oh, and I'm wearing a shirt that has green. So my arm's cut off. Good stuff. Let's see here. So on the daily, not so hot. We have Maker down, double digits. We have any other ones that are double digits? Near is almost double digits. APT almost double digits. So it's so on the daily. We come over here to the hourly, moving up. Does this mean Bitcoin is up? Well, we're going to find out in just a moment. We are going to find out. One thing that I also like to do, not sure if I have it on here. I like to tell you about my channel. No, that's not. Oh, I mean, I do like to, but that's not it. I'm going to show you this. So let's go ahead and go to the fear and greed index for the stock market. It is 16, down 4. Come on, crypto, be down. Hey, there we go. So extreme fear 20. We're down 7 points, which is excellent, guys. This is excellent. This means that it's another buying opportunity. I would love to see this at 10 again. It's another opportunity to buy these coins. Now, is the bull market over? I keep on hearing that. Is the bull market over? It's not over. It is just, so everything is not the same. As much as we want it to be, it's not the same. It is way different this time around, just because we have different things that have come up. You know, as far as the quantitative easing, the quantitative tightening, the taxes, just stuff that's going on in the economy. inflation, like everything's different. So we have to take that into account. We have to know what has been unburdened by, no, wait, that's not it. Every time I hear the word unburdened, I don't know. Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat if every time you hear the word unburdened or what has been, that it just, there's a memory that I don't want. But let me know in the chat if that also triggers a memory. All right, here we go. So right now, what we're looking at is this current cycle. Can we make money in this current cycle if stuff's going down? Definitely. Can we make it going up? Absolutely. And we're going to show you how to do that. That's what we do on this channel. We show you how to simplify everything that is involved in trading. We take off, all the indicators and everything else, and we teach you price action. Now, here's a couple other things that we teach you without actually teaching you. It's kind of like the Miyagi style, where I'm showing you how to paint the fence, sand the floor. I'm showing you all this stuff without you knowing that you're actually learning how to trade. Here, I'm giving you the principles of trading without giving you the very hard sometimes to understand definitions or the words. I'm actually showing you it in practice. So I get asked all the time, do you use SMC? Smart money concepts? If you see how I trade, that answer should be very obvious. I use supply, demand, I use market structure. Now I use all this stuff, order blocks, fair value gaps. I use all this stuff without saying all these words. That way it doesn't make it as complicated. I just show you what to look for, as opposed to identifying each individual thing and then you having to, yes, wax on, wax off. I'm telling you guys, instead of you having to, oh, this is called an order block. Oh, this is a supply zone. No, it's a reversal. It's an area of a possible bounce, possible rejection. That's what I do. Then, of course, we have ICT trading. Now, with this trading, it's inner circle trading. This is more of the composite man, the market makers, the people with money, smart money. These are the ones that can manipulate the price. And I show you how to do all this. And I talk about all this stuff without giving all these, words. And especially, when it comes to break a structure, change a character, we have all this mitigation, like all these big words. You don't need them. Support, resistance, trend lines. That's what I show you. I also show you different techniques on how to use the fib retracement tool, which is absolutely gold. And I use that every single time I'm looking at a chart. Sometimes I'll actually put it on the chart, but when you do it long enough, you can just eyeball it. But what I do for you is I actually put it on the chart so we can get definite areas of a possible bounce. We do fixed range volume profile. We do the moving averages, and I explain how all these things, the weight it has when it comes to levels that are important. Of course, I always refer to the point of control. To me, it has about a 4. 0 out of 10 has about a 4 on the strength. The moving averages have about a 4. The actual support resistance levels, especially the higher the time frame, the stronger it is. So they are about an 8. Nothing's a 10. Because if you have something at a 10, then it's for sure, you create that bias. It's for sure not going to break this level, or, whether it's a support or a resistance. There's nothing's a 10, nothing. So if you have the price action on a lower time frame, for example, a 15-minute or a 5, well, it goes from a level 8 on the strength to about a 4, because it can easily break it. But it is an area of strength. So that's what I do here on this channel. Make sure to tune in every single day. We do this multiple times a day. Now, normally we go live Monday through Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Saturday and Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure to have the notification bell on, because I do several additional streams. Sometimes it's at midnight, sometimes it's at 9 Eastern Time. Give you a heads up. Man, Joe, that was a long intro. Some people are new. Some people are new and they need to know. Now, I'm going to get some water really quick. Very good. So here, going down the list, checking the chat really quick. So here, going down the list. Alexander G, what's up? So happy you're here. So happy you're here. Happy everybody's here. Thank you so much, guys, for smashing the like. Guys are the best. Guys are the best. Let's see here. JB in the house. What's up, JB? Appreciate you. And I really, let's see here. I really enjoy the fact that I break everything down. I really do, because to me, it really does help as far as just understanding all of this stuff, because it can be confusing. I know when I started, man, I was confused, big time confused. All right, let's see here. Going down the list, seeing if there's any questions. Bull market delayed. Yeah, we're taking a pause. I'm taking a pause. We've had like maybe 2 really nice times. That's it. The euphoria, it hasn't really been here. Let's see here. We got Julian in the house. What's up, Julian? Appreciate you. We have PTLDM. See, we are, oh no, don't do it. I just saw it. We are unburdened by what has been. And thank goodness. Yes. Yes. And I got that unburdening in my brain again. Let's see here. Wax on, wax off. That's what it's about, guys. That's what it's about. And again, what I do is I simplify this complexity. Complex. You know what I'm trying to say. Yeah, that's a word. Complexity. If I can just put it all together. The complexity. I can't even say it now. But I make it less complicated. I really do. Joe, that is a complicated word. I know. See here, very good. We have Ernie in the house. What's up, Ernie? Appreciate you. So once again, if you have any questions regarding trading, let me know. This is extremely important. There are no dumb questions. They're either questions we've had before or haven't thought of yet. There are no dumb questions. And believe me, I have had a lot of questions. So anytime I'm going through the charts or anything like that, what I try to do, because I've had these questions, man, many dozens of times, if not 100 times, because I've been doing this for a while now. I know what questions might come up. So as I'm actually teaching and mentoring, I give you the answers before you even ask them or even think about the actual question. Because as newcomers to crypto, you don't know what questions to ask. And that's why I'm here, so that I could speed up the learning process. Now, we do this every single day, and I do it for free. So again, instead of paying somebody $99 an hour, ask me here. I will give you the answers. I won't say, oh, well, you need to join my group. Nah, get out of here, man. Get out of here with that mess. I dedicate my time to make you money. All right, here we go. Complexity. I can't say it. It's a word that's probably too smart for me. Can't do it. Let's see here. Yep, that is a hard word. Complexity. There's too many syllables at the very end. That word is too complex. There you go. I agree, 100%. All right, so let's go ahead and get started, guys. Let's get started. Right now, I do want to look at the liquidations. Top liquidations for the 1 hour longs, 4 hour longs, 12 hour longs, 24 hour longs. Longs have been getting wrecked. Oh my gosh. Now let's come over here to the heat map. Let's kind of just see what's going on here. So here, this is the 24-hour heat map. Let's go ahead and zoom in by using this little slider over here. We have some really close to us. We have 33.96 million. Okay. And today is the 10th. Okay. So we have at 79,403. We have 33.96 million. Okay. Then we have 79.1. Okay. So we have 2 levels right here. We have one really, really bright. We have another level at 81,180. And this is at 37.88 million. Okay, then nothing till way up here. Now, the brighter the color, the more liquidations. You can see that over here. The brighter the color, the more liquidations. What is liquidations? Well, liquidations, this is when your money basically turns into water and goes down the drain. Whether it's your stop loss or you don't have a stop loss and you're risking everything, whether it's $10, $100, $1,000, and the price hits your liquidation, which means that your $100 that you were trading with now is zero. So be very careful with that. Let's go to the 12-hour time frame. Always manage your risk. Always manage your risk. Right now, same thing. Underneath it, 79.4 and also 79.1. Then we have an area up here, 81.80, same areas. And then we have a really nice hotspot at 84.438. Pretty nice. Let us go. Oh, before we do that, Joe, you're taking forever. I know it. I know it. This is very important. If you are a member of the YouTube, you get access to these pretty cool emojis, which is awesome just in itself. But you also get access to special videos that I do for YouTube. Now these videos, these are from my VIP group. Now in my VIP group, of course, I have videos that I specialize for them, and sometimes it's questions that they may ask, or sometimes I might see something that is like, okay, they need a video on this, or at least an updated video. And depending on YouTube, what tier you're at, depends on how much information I trickle down so that you can also benefit from it. If you do want more information as far as my group goes, make sure to reach out to me, trade_intuition. I show you all this stuff. Here, of course, is the price. I give you the exact price when to enter. Also the stop loss, when to move up your stop loss. I update these charts. I don't post 15, 20 charts a day. I show you like how to trade, and also I update the charts. This to me is very important. I don't just leave you high and dry. And I'm not, one thing that I really hate is that all these groups, they'll put 15, 20 charts a day, and then 3 or 4 will make it. And then they'll post those as their results. Look, guys, we did this in the group. Join the group, and you join the group because, I mean, they're making money. Well, then you join the group and you realize that there's, let's just say it was 10, but normally it's 15, 20. Let's just say 10. In 7 days, in 1 week, that's 70 charts. I don't know about you, but I don't have money to put into 70 trades. And they are literally stepping on their members' backs so they can elevate themselves and say, look at this, we're doing great, and all they want is more members. That's all they want. For me, I want you to get rich. How do you do that? Well, then you reduce your risk, you reduce your exposure. So whenever we post very few charts and we update them. But back to this, members. A lot of member videos lately, guys, a lot of member videos. These are for everybody, every member. These are for the believer tier on how to hedge trade. These are, and of course I have warrior trading videos as well. So and with the warrior ones, you get more of like the trades that we do. Now they're not updated or nothing like that. These are videos that are updated for the group, saying these are the trades we're in. This is what I'm looking at. This is what I'm looking for. I'm hoping that they bounce here. And then, so you get access to that. So just kind of give you a heads up. All right. That is a very long opening. Good Lord. Sorry, guys. But I got to tell you though, I really do. These are opportunities for you to make money. They really are. All right. Let's see here. All right. So let's go ahead and get on with Bitcoin. We did a video on Bitcoin, and I strongly recommend watching yesterday's live stream. I only did one stream yesterday. I recommend watching yesterday's live stream. I show you how I got all these levels. These levels are key levels. If nothing else, watch that video. Watch that video. It's going to show you why these levels are important. Now, throughout all of this, I believe I made an updated video for my group, and I think I shared it with the YouTube members, all the YouTube members. Where it comes to this, it's bearish. I mean, there's no way around it. It's bearish. It's looking bearish. It continues to look bearish. We had a pump. We had a nice pump. I think it was like 4 in the morning, 5 in the morning. I think it was 5. I'm doing the charts and everything, and I see this. Well, first I see that my shorts have gotten stopped out. Nice profits, very nice profits. My shorts get stopped out. I was like, huh, okay, cool. Like, it was far away from it, like really, cause I'm at stop loss like way up here, and it got hit. It's like, huh, maybe there was a pump. Okay, and then my Bitcoin short got stopped out. I was like, what's going on here? And then of course I go onto those charts. I was like, oh, we got a pump. We got a pump, and this was at 5 in the morning. We got this right here. I believe it was 5. I did in my group. I was like, hey guys, we might have a green day. We might have a green day. Be looking out for it. You know, we never FOMO. We never FOMO. We wait and see what happens because it's safer. And then sure enough, it started rolling over. I was like, okay, fine. You know, more than likely it'll bounce here and then come up. It went a little bit lower than I wanted. Came up, did this. Okay, fine. Now I want it to bounce here. For sure, bounce here. Didn't bounce. I was like, oh, we're back to what we were doing. And this is why it's important to wait and to understand these key levels. Any questions, guys? Questions, comments, concerns, issues? Let me know. Let me know. I think what I need to start doing is scamming people. So I get more people in here. I think that's what I'm gonna do. That is going to be my business strategy. Because the scammers, they got like 2,000 viewers. That they do. All right, let's see here. But I'm not here to scam you. I'm here to make money with you, not because of you. So just convenience up. It's not looking good. But I came into a short right now. My opportunity was up here for the short. We do have this beautiful level. Man, I should enter a short. I'm afraid though, because it didn't retrace. It didn't do this. If it did this, I would have entered the short. Right now, it did break this level. Let me just show you. Magnet tool on. Right here, hold down shift. Look at this beautiful level. It broke it, it retested it, and then it broke this level as well. Or breaking. But I really wanted to see a candles, plural, coming up, getting rejected right around this zone, and then I would have shorted. Right now I don't want to short. I'm too scared. I'm scared. I'm afraid that it's gonna reverse, come up here, and because I trade high leverage, this will wreck me. So I need it. What's the percentage? I mean, this could be for a short. Okay, look at that, 3%. Shoot, man. 5%. Now for this one, because Bitcoin doesn't move as fast, and you know, all we need is a 4 or 5%, we would do like a 10x leverage. 5 to 10x leverage for the short. I don't think my chat's working. Oh, it is. Okay. Trying to think. 5 minute. We had a really nice level right here, but I wanted to come up just a little bit more. I'm thinking it's going to come up, even though it looks very bearish. I have to wait. I have to wait on this one because I do think it's going to come up, possibly break this high. This is what I'm thinking right now. Maybe come up to here, then bounce off of this. Maybe. So this is my decision point right here. Or does it come down? So right now I do have to wait. I'm not gonna FOMO. And especially with the amount of leverage that I use, I can't do it. I gotta wait. Let's see here. Man, and I really wanted to do a live stream today. All right, since there's no questions, there's no charts. Oh, here we go. I was already gonna stop. And that's what I do, guys. So all I have, so this is how I run my show. All I have is Bitcoin. That's it. I go over Bitcoin. I let you know my thought process on Bitcoin. And then the rest of the show's up to y'all. You know, if you have questions. Now, the downfall that I have been seeing lately, that I've been doing so many live streams, the questions are very few now. So we need more people. We need more people to have questions, to have charts and everything else. But if I don't have it, I go back to what I was doing. I have a paid group that I take care of. I have charts that I take care of. I have DMs that I take care of. So I literally stop doing everything so that I can come here and make you money. I really do. But if nobody needs help, well then I just go back to do what I was doing. Let's see here. Dylan says, "Don't worry about the amount of people. It's easy to say, but it's hard to do. It really is. And as a content creator, knowing that I have something of value, it's literally like peeling my skin. Literally, it's so painful because I want to get this message out. I want to show people how to trade. I want to show people how not to get wrecked. And then I go and I see these other people that, you know, and it's not jealousy, it's not envy. It's the fact that like all these people are getting bamboozled because they're seeing somebody who's, you know, charismatic, great vocabulary, well-dressed, you know, and he's tricking them. There's so many people out there being tricked right now, and they can't say anything because if they do, well, then they get booted and they just have an echo chamber. That's all it is. So it's literally like peeling my skin, literally. And I try my best. I try my best not to look. But when there's like very little activity, it forces me to look. And then I look and it's like, ouch. It's like, okay, 5 minutes. If I don't get people in 5 minutes, I'm out. West, yes, definitely, man. Let's see here. The people who are here believe in you and don't want you to go. You're the best man. People will find you. Yeah, and that's the thing too. Like people can't find me if I'm always leaving. Well, I don't always leave, but people can't find me if I see the amount of people here. It's like, oh, okay, well, if you don't know me, you know where to reach me. They can't find me. So yeah. JB says, I'm gonna say. Okay. Yeah. Good, JB. I saved one person. That's good. Can you look at Cardano? I'd love to get into a leverage trade. Yeah. Let's do some Cardano. Cardano. I was looking at H bar for whatever reason. Cardano, USDT.P for futures. Okay. Unfortunately, this one asked us as far as the short goes right for the moment. Okay. Let's do some levels. Yeah, but that's one of the things. Like I see these people and I see like, you know, the hooting, the hollering, and the excitement, everything is like, oh man, like, and it's a great sales tactic because it's working on your emotions, getting the endorphins up, you know, getting excited, and you know what, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna join the group, and then you join, like, oh man, what happened? Like, there's all these charts, and everybody else is posting, and like it's too much. Like, how do I learn? I get bamboozled. Daily. See here. You didn't save me. I may be ignorant with a lot of chart terminology, but I'm not gullible. Well, I'll still consider that a win. Because most people, like if I were to see it, I wouldn't say gullible, I would say not experienced. If I were to see it and I'm a newcomer, man, it's exciting. Everybody's saying how great he is, and I would 100% hands down join, 100%. And it's just because I'm not experienced. I don't know that what he's teaching is not the right way. And you know what really gets me is that all these other people, because he's very charismatic and he knows a lot of people, nobody wants to talk about him. There are very few people that talk about him or people like him. And for the fear of being shunned, because it's literally like political. It's very political. And for me, I'll voice it, you know, because I'm trying to save people. But what gets me is all these other people, I don't want to say worship him, but they praise him. It's like, dude, are you freaking ridiculous? Like, that shows me your level of trading skills. Like, that anybody who knows how to trade. Now, can you be successful? Sure. I mean, how many times can heads land if you're flipping a quarter? Yes, definitely you can be successful. But man, it gets me. Oh, it gets me so much. ETH, yeah, we'll do ETH. So, yeah, we'll definitely do those. So ADA, ETH, so, all right. Let's see here. So for ADA, we're looking for a short. Now it's come down quite a bit. Let's go to, and don't feel like you always have to be in a trade either, guys. That's the biggest thing. Man, horrible. I hate seeing all this. Okay, let's try it one more time. Price stream swoop. 31. Oh gosh. Guess what? The 1x leverage you made money. Man. See, I get Tony Robinson infomercial type vibes from it. Do you really? I don't know if I do. But I see what you're saying, though. I see what you're saying. Yeah, but what gets me is that all these other people, like, they praise him. And it hurts my heart that these people are doing that. But what can you do? I can just voice it, verbalize it on my channel. That's all I can do. And then there's a really strong chance that I may be shunned, but I don't care. I don't care. So 4 hour. Oops. So these are my levels. I would really like to see it come up to about here and then do this. That's what I would like to see. But right now we missed it already. Like, this move up, it would have been so much better to at least come up to here. And what I'm doing is I'm drawing this with my eyeballs. So the move from this extension leg to here would be to the 382. This will be to the 0.5. But for this move right here, coming up, like, even in this area right here would have been nice, but the 382 would have been better. But it didn't. It barely went up 23% or retraced 23%. And I'm getting that from these numbers here. These are all percentages. And then came right back down. So in my opinion, I think this was too late. ETH getting a juicy bottom. Let's go. I can't see doing a short on this one. And it's okay if we miss setups. You don't want to force it. Could this go down another 20-30%? Sure, 100%. But it's more dangerous by entering now. However, put it in your mindset. Bearish. Everything's bearish. Right now, everything's bearish. It'll be bearish until it starts breaking highs. So for this one, unfortunately, no setup. And unless it does something like this, where it comes up. Man, I'm tired. See, Crypto Princess says, good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm driving, so won't stay. Hey, I appreciate you being here. Appreciate you smashing the like. Just dropped in, show my support. Have a great stream. Thank you. Thank you very much. So once again, could this go lower? Sure. I mean, if you wanted to try it, you could. Say 5x leverage. Have one entry now. Another entry up here in case they try to stop you out. And this is the level that it needs to break. We'll do this one in this color. So this would be an entry. Date is March 10th. Time is 12:40. And this one, like I said, 5x leverage. Not financial advice. Now, granted, most of the move has already moved. See, I have a non-chart question. I tried to swap some Toshi in my wallet, but it said I needed base ETH. Yeah. So what you need to do is you need to convert your ETH to the base network. And you can do that on your wallet, or rather in your wallet. I don't know if you're doing this on MetaMask. If so, I forget the steps of it, but there's a swap and it'll tell you what network to network. So you have ETH on the Ethereum network. You need to put it to the base network. Hopefully that makes sense, but that's what that's saying. And that way you can pay for the gas fees. So it'll still be ETH, but it'll be in the base network. Now you can also do this on your what wallet do I have? Let's see, what wallet do I have? The Phantom wallet. So on the Phantom wallet, same thing. You can sell your ETH, and then it'll say, what do you want to buy? And you can put ETH, and then you can select the base. Now it's going to charge you like 15, 16 bucks about to transfer it over. So when you transfer it over, I'd recommend transferring a good amount of ETH so you don't have to do it again. Hey, we got Alexandra G. Thank you so much. Appreciate the super chat. Appreciate you. Thank you, Alexandra. That really does help support the channel. So thank you. So it's a Tangem cold wallet. I got you. So hopefully all that made sense. Very good. Love the question. All right, so let's see here. So this will be our other entry. Let's see, this will be an entry. to entry. Okay. And then our stop loss here, again, 5%. It's a riskier trade. I'm not gonna lie, it's a riskier trade because I would like to see it come up before coming down. And then if you get stopped out, you can try it again. But this will be your stop loss. And then all these levels that I showed before, those will be your targets. Oh, I only showed those. So your first target, so about a 2-to-1 ratio, not bad, or just over. You know, we won't be too greedy. We'll do about right here. ALCH. This one I would take 10% or 50% off. And then the next one, you know, I don't want to get too greedy. We'll do 10%. And then same thing. 50%. And you can let the rest ride, you know, and be moving up your stop loss. So here, JB says, thanks for that. I keep ETH for gas fees and I thought I just needed to swap, but I wanted to ask a pro. Oh, I wouldn't say I'm a pro, but I've done it before. But this would be your Cardano short. This would be an enter now with a higher entry, just in case it does come up to come down again. Your stop loss would be at 0.7153, 5x short. If that's too much leverage, then you can do a 3x or a 1x. Hey, we got another super chat. Appreciate you. Thank you, West. Thank you, man. Appreciate you. And again, all that does help support the channel. Really appreciate it, guys. Let's see here. If this is too much leverage, 5x, then you can do a 2x. And then the benefit of doing lower leverage is if you did a 2x, now, let's say you only want to risk 10%. So your 2x will put you here. Let's say you only want to do a 1x. Well, then your 1x could put your stop loss way up here. So it gives you just so much more cushion when it comes to trading. Now, of course, on the lower leverages, I was only willing to risk 10%. Here, I'm willing to risk 15% of my initial entry. Now, granted, we are not doing 100% of our entry at once. We're doing 2 entries, one here, one here. Or let's just say it does this. Well, we have our 1 entry here. Then we have our other entry right here. So we're reducing our entry. And then not only that, but it also, for your second one, your stop loss is like 1% away. Now, if it does come down, if it does do this, well, then what you could do is you already entered once. Once it crosses this level, since it's so close, I would kind of wait, see what it's going to do. Comes down, then it comes up. Then as it's starting to come down again, then you could enter your, add to your entry, or wait for the break of this to enter. So this one is higher risk, but greater reward. This one is safer, but less reward. So hopefully all that makes sense. All right, moving on. Let's see here. Let's do this next one. So this one we were looking at, Alchemist. The price is way up here, 4 hour. And I was saying, more than likely to come down. This is the area that I would like to see a bounce. If it does bounce, then great. This is also the decision point. That's why the reason for the bounce. Here would be the lower entry. So here is actually the bounce. So right now, this is like do or die. Is it going to break above or break below? That is the $1 million question. So if it breaks below, then there's a very strong chance they'll do this. If it breaks above, well, then there's a very strong chance it'll do this number. So that is that one. Okay, let's go ahead and put this one in our watch list. Okay. Next one is ETH. Now, of course, these will be faster. The first one I always do is a little bit longer. See here, ETH. I thought it was going to go up. Let's come here, here. Maybe I was wishing it was going to go up because this looks very bearish. No, I don't think I was thinking it was going to go up. I'm thinking on this, I was giving examples of what to look for. There's no way I would have said it's going to go up. Not based off of this. So trash that. Oh yeah. So maybe I was saying, you know, once across this level, but there's no way I would say it's going to go up on that. Let's see here. So these would be the lower entries from the current price, which was here. If you just wanted to do lower entries, but as far as like a trade, it's not ready. And what really messed up a lot of these coins is the pump that we had. Was it Sunday or forget when it was last week? This pump really messed everything up. Because now it's another area of resistance. Let's see here. When would I enter this trade? Man, that's tough. I would look at this. I would look at this main level, 2296 or 2297. And I would set an alert above it, even though we have this right here. If we keep on going up and up and up, it will never enter. Let's see here, West has a comment. So set alert 2396. West says, I love Joe and his determination to help others. Anyone with that drive, I want to stand by. Thank you so much. Thank you, West. That means a lot to me, man. You have no idea. That means a lot to me. That to me is worth more than gold. It really is, because it's a lot of work that I put in, like a lot of work, and just knowing that you appreciate it makes it worthwhile. So thank you, man. All set in the house. What's up, all set? Appreciate you, man. Let's see here. So for this one, it would have to definitely break 2297 in order for us to even look at it for a trade. It's not looking good, man. It's not looking good. I mean, I would actually look at this for a short. It was in this. It was in this zone. This zone right here broke out. So, or you call it a range. Then it came down here, right, to take this. Came up. Looks very strong for a lower high. And Bullets on Parade says, I just came by, drop by, give a like. Thank you, man. Appreciate you. See, I watch a lot of different people, and you are my favorite. JB, you are my favorite. JB is my favorite. Oh, you already know what's coming up. You already know what's coming up. I think that was kind of loud. Calm down, people. Calm down. Calm down. You're my favorite, man. See, I like to focus on concepts over terms. Yep. And that's what I do. That's what I do. Let's see here. So this one, we did have the pullback. We had the nice run up, 50%. So this is what's really important, guys. Look at this. This is all the stuff that I teach. So from here, from this extension leg to here, it came up to the 382, went to the 0.5, also the 618. So into the golden pocket, came down. This is a beautiful retracement from this move. This is absolutely gorgeous. And then now it's breaking this. I'm looking at it for a short. So now let's go to a 1 hour, just so we can see more ups and downs. Little candle, little candle, little candle, dump. Go 15-minute time frame. So now on this move, I would like to see it come up to about here, but I could also short this from here. That's right at support. So what I do a lot is I use my crosshairs. So with these crosshairs, I'm looking and all these stop right here. And then these candle bodies stop right here and the candle's like almost underneath it. I do that before I place my level. So we have a little zone. It looks very strong to come down. Hey Diggity says, stopping by to catch a bit of sauce. Hit the like. Thank you, man. On lunch. Thank you. You guys are great. You guys are great. Appreciate you. Today's turning out to be a good day. I was a little down. It's a little down, not gonna lie. I started out great. And I looked, it's like, no. So same thing with ETH. For ETH, what I would do, see, I would have liked to have seen it come way up here. So my stop loss would have to be up here. What percentage is that away? 4%. Ouch, that hurts. So like a 5x leverage again. Man. Let's go Bitcoin. 15. Oh no, wait, this one. Yeah, it's coming down. Man. So this will be a lower entry. I do an entry right now. And what's Jasmine doing? Isn't? Oh, I think I have the speakers on louder than I normally do. Like, man, normally I don't hear all this very loud music. So this will be our lower entry. I mean, our entry. Oh. Copy. Get out of here, this. And I want to say it was right. Okay. Let's see here. So I guess this will change the time. And then we would do another entry. So what am I doing? Copy. We do another entry. I'd say way up here. And then my target. Target would be, you need at least a 2-to-1. We'll go right here. So like for me, like these look good, but since I trade pretty high leverage, I want to do like a one that's like better, I guess. Like these are good trades. Don't get me wrong. ADA and ETH, they can make us some money. But for me, I want something that's more of a guarantee. So this one would sell 50%. And then my stop loss. These colors, we would definitely have to change these colors. So it's easier to identify. Boom, look at that. Look how easy that looks now. So that would be my ETH. Let's see here. West. Man, you're my favorite. West is my favorite. Thank you. See, music is good. Okay, good level. Good. Music is perfect. Okay, good. Yeah, I guess I have the thing turned up. I guess I was jamming out earlier. I don't know. All right, moving on. Okay, so that's good. So let's look at Solana. Solana. Oh, we would have been stopped out. We did this on the 7th, 3 days ago. It was looking good. Look at this. It was looking good here. And then here, came down, bouncing up. So I was looking at, we entered, we had a lower entry, boop, stop loss. Dang it. All right, so let's delete our 19 drawings. Fell. And it happens. Let's go 3 day. Oof. Like Solana, this one to me looks extremely bearish. Extremely. Like ALCH bearish. Like coming down to 79 easy bearish. Could I be wrong? Sure. Hey, we got username in the house. What's up, username? Appreciate you, man, being here. Yeah, this one is one that I would like to take. So here is our level. Let's see. Here's our other level. Here's our little zone that we got to watch for. Damn, but it moved too much already. Dang it. Let's go 4 hour time frame. Late to the party. Late to the party. Man, this right here was so evil. This just liquidated all the people who were short. So evil. 1 hour. It was trying. It was trying its best to fight, and then just gave up. Like gave up. Man, I want to find a coin that has moved, of course, because they all moved down. But I want to find a coin that we have a higher likelihood. Oh, I know one. And I'm gonna give it to y'all too, since y'all are here. So Solana, I would like to see this. The percentage may be too far away though. Oh, heck yeah. That's too much. This would have to be like a 1x. I mean, what if we did it here? I mean, we could do it here, but that's very high risk. Username. No financial advice. Not financial advice. You guys are funny. Ernie says move. All right, we'll do move as well. Let's see here. I'm thinking. So if you do patterns, you could probably see, it's easier to see on the 1 hour. A complex head and shoulder. Shoulder. Well, actually, we can call this a double complex. Shoulder, head. Shoulder. Break of the neckline. Downward movement. But it doesn't look good. I would have really loved to have seen like something like this and then us up here because then, man, we can get it. But this one, I kind of want to see it go up before it comes down. But one thing with the lower leverage, and that's one of my downfalls, is I trade high leverage. It's much safer just trading lower leverage, and that way you're in the trade much longer. But because I trade higher leverage, like I can get 80%, 100% fast. I can also lose that fast too. But that's why I trade with little money though. But as far as this one, I mean, if you wanted to, maybe a 2x leverage, enter now, have a higher entry, maybe like around 125 for a short. And then your target could be like 101. Oh, heck yeah. 3-to-1 ratio. Oh, wait. Dang it. Copy. Paste. Delete this one. I try my best not to cheat. I try to put it right where it was. Let's see here. So this will be the target. And we have a lower entry, or add to the entry. Copy. Add to the entry. See about right here. I'm afraid of doing Solana though. I wanted to do it, but I'm afraid of doing it. I mean, I could do it like a 2x leverage. This one you actually do a 3x. Why do you have the stop loss right there? I was wondering because it was a white line. Nope. This again. That way this is not confusing. I want to do it so bad. And this one, this would be a 3 to 5x, 3x. No, just a 3 to 4x. Short. I forgot what we said on the other one. ETH. Oof. 3. Yeah, what do we say on this one? 3x? Man, ETH is coming down hard right now. Jeez. What's Bitcoin doing? Man. Cardona not moving so much. I mean, it's moving. ETH is coming down big time. Solana. Man, they're all going to dump right now. Hey, we got Crypto Billy in the house. What's up, Crypto Billy? Appreciate you, man, being here. Appreciate you. Love you, man. Yeah, they're all coming down. Oh, yeah. What was I doing? ETH. 3 to 4. What did we say on ETH? I already forgot. Because I don't want to say, you know, oh, we were doing this at 20x so that it could look good. I was saying like a 3 to 4x. No. A 2 a 2 to 3x leverage. I forgot what it was. 3. We'll just say a 3x. I don't remember though. 3x short. I don't remember. Cardona was a 5x. ETH was a 3x. So, the 3 to 4x. Man, I do want to do that ETH though. It's moved too much for me though. 2%. That hurts. That hurts. So for Bitcoin overall, doesn't look good. Like regardless of which way it goes, more than likely it's coming down. And here it said, nope, we're not even going to try to come up to break this level. We're just going to come down. And then same thing here. We're not even going to try to break above to show strength to break this level to come down. We're just going to go down. So the one that I wanted to show you, this one. To me, this one's a good one. It hasn't moved. And I'll show you all this one before I go. So here. Man, I missed a lot of this move. Where is this at? Let's just hide everything. Okay. This one's a good one to short. As you can see, it still has all this way over here. So TRX, I'm going to play with some TRX. I already missed the other ones. The other one's already TRX. Move too much. Let's go 15-minute time frame. Dang it. What's the percentage? From here, 1. Okay. Joe, you look very serious. Concentrate. Oh, it's a 5-minute time frame. That's where it looks different. Okay. So on this, let me just show you what I'm looking at. We have the price action underneath our 9 SMA, underneath our 30 SMA, underneath our blue line, which is our VWAP. I wouldn't be surprised if it came back up to come back down. So I will do 2 entries. One right now with the market buy. And then this is what I'm looking at. So let me go ahead and do my market buy. So I have higher leverage. I do not recommend y'all do this, but my leverage is kind of high. And I'm going to show y'all that I did enter this trade. I did a market buy. Then I'm going to do a limit. I'm also going to do a limit way up here. So my limit buy is going to be underneath my VWAP, above this level, in case we get like a wick. So this is what I'm looking at. So I'm going to copy this. Copy. Now I'm going to change this to limits. I'm going to put my limit order in there. Okay. Sometimes my higher entries don't hit. It's okay. So I have my stop loss and my other stuff. If Sol breaks below 110, possible more downside. 110 was low from, wow. Pretty short there too. Okay, so I have my entries in. So this one's a good one. So this is my Tron. So for me personally, what I don't like doing is I don't like here. TRX short. We'll do 5X. Enter now. Start. It's right. Now, let me hide this because I'm gonna put this for my members. And I'm gonna be finishing the show already. So that's the benefit, guys. That's the benefit of being here. Like I show you charts. I show you how to enter. I show you when to enter. I show you why to enter. I show you all this stuff, and the most simplistic way. So we'll see. 1 second. Hey guys, how's it going? For those of you who know, I am actually doing a live stream, and we've already called out a few of these shorts, and they're playing out pretty well. This one hasn't moved too much, so that's why I'm doing TRX. I'll be posting this once I'm done with the live stream. Make sure to tune in every single day, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Saturday and Sunday at 5. All right, gotta go. All right, so that was for my group. Let's see here. So this one, doing okay. Let's go back to Sol. Sol is doing nicely. Jasmine, we didn't do Jasmine. ETH, it just took off. Like I wanted to get ETH. This is the one that I wanted to get because it's safer. I'm not expecting this move. I'm expecting these moves. Get it, hold it. It'll come down. But because it did this, and we saw it moving down, it's too late for me to enter. For me, because again, I do higher leverage. This one's still good to get. So that is my thought process on that. Let's see here. Oh, lots of chats. So here, going to the list. Okay, JB says, I think my extremely technical limit order of BTC might get filled. $77,777.77. Yes, I love it. I love it. See here. See here, going to the list. Jesse says, I had to take action against a person in Crypto Princess for Discord. Ooh, really? Jesse, tell me the cheese man. Tell me who it was, because I want to see if they contacted me too. Cheese man means gossip, for those of you who don't know. Here, Crypto Billy says, the life and job of Crypto Police Chief. Well, let's go. Let's go. And on the list. Dylan, you're the best. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you very much. See, Alexander says, gotta get back to work, Joe. Thank you very much for stopping by. I appreciate you greatly. Thanks for the content. You got it. All right, guys. So hopefully y'all can make some money on this. And remember, take profits. Profits are very important. Whenever we have big dumps like this, expect this. So this right here doesn't scare me. Hopefully it comes up to maybe this area. So let's just do this so nobody gets scared. It comes up to about here before coming back down. Now, if it breaks this level, then I get kind of worried, but we have a higher entry here. So hopefully it continues down. But this is generally what happens when the market makers are trying to stop people out, whether it's, you know, going short or long. All right, that's all I got. I do thank you guys very much. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, let's make this money. Today, let's do the commercial. All right, see you guys. We'll see you in the next one. Be careful. Don't feel like you always have to be in a trade. I do thank you very much. See you in the next one. Take care. And commercial time. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. Like, it's super important. Now, if you're in the VIP, I have videos that are 3, 4, 5 minutes long on average. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would offer the free group, but it's already full. I have a huge wait list. So more than likely, if I do let 3 or 4 people go, the spots are filled. Not only that, but when people do sign up for the VIP because they're making money in the free group, I am very, very invested to make you money in this free group so you can get the VIP. When those people leave the free group and get into the VIP, well, there's just so many more people that are trying to take their spot. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're gonna make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.